My name is Darren Ross. I'm from ARC Regulatory. We're a regulatory quality and clinical operations organisation, consultant services to support big pharma, based in Belfast in Northern Ireland. And we're in the US this week to meet with current customers and some new customers and accelerate those opportunities with new partnerships in this region. So I'm excited to share that we're actually launching a new product called ARC 360. It's a regulatory intelligence platform focused on working with some of those big pharma clients that we're already engaged with, but also exploring, a variety of new opportunities in this region. So obviously San Diego is big in the biotech space, and that's one of our key customers and our focus areas in terms of big pharma, biopharma, and biotech companies. This week we've had some great conversations. So we managed to, with the support of InvestNI, we've locked in over 20 meetings with a variety of different customers. And we're going after, the big pharma companies, but also some mid-tier companies, and then trying to find out, which strategic partners we can utilize in this market to help us, grow the market share in the US region. The ARC 360 platform is a regulatory intelligence platform. We've developed this technology based on our in-house expertise of over 20 years of experience working in regulatory, quality, and clinical support for a variety of big pharma clients throughout the world, effectively. We started off based in Ireland, UK, Europe. We've got operations in each Pacific region. And this week is very much focused on the US operations and opportunities with partners and new customers. So the ARC 360 platform itself provides a variety of access to regulatory information. We support and help companies navigate regulatory requirements through competent authorities, ethics committees, also health and safety reporting requirements, and also the latest legislation. So through this platform, they can access information in terms of what they must do in terms of a central lab perspective, but also sample collection sites. So we effectively provide, regulatory intelligence to help them accelerate the clinical trial setup process through, the whole life cycle of clinical trial development in precision therapies. So we're into day 3 of bio for ARC Regulatory, and from our perspective, we've had a fantastic few days meeting with a variety of big pharma clients. We have another full schedule of 10 meetings tomorrow with a variety of customers, some of our current customers and some new business prospects to, have those really exciting conversations with. So from my perspective, it's been a really great week and something to build on. And I think one learning for us is we'll bring a few of our team members out to bio next year, which I believe is in Boston.